welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into another tutorial because this is a Sunday and Sunday is a tutorial time. Yes! Now, today's tutorial comes from a question. Now, I get a question from, I think a few days back only. I got one of the questions related to Zazzle. People were asking me how to upload a photo related product because I talk a lot about the Zazzle on my channel. If you don't know about it and if you want to check much of the tutorials about it, I'm going to leave a bunch of the playlists for you to check related to Zazzle on the comment section above. You can check it out. But guys, if you know so far, I've been talking a lot about uploading the product as a template on Zazzle to actually get the sales. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to actually upload a photo as a customization, as a template on any particular product. If you could do on our pillow covers, the cards, the stationeries, the t-shirts, whatever the product is, you could upload a picture and you could make it as a template so that people can actually customize it, upload their own picture, and then they can purchase it. So photo related product and making a photo related product as a template on a Zazzle, that is the tutorial looks like for today. Hopefully you are going to enjoy it. Let's dive in. Before we consider clicking the like button guys, we'll appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. When we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it. Soon we are going to start an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. Right now it's on waitlist. Once you sign up, subscribe to it, and once we get started with that, we will going to sending you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content regarding making money online. You can subscribe to it. It's 100% free. The link is in the description box below. Let's dive into my laptop and I'm going to be showing you today's tutorial. Let's do it guys. Here on Zazzle, now I'm going to show you how to make a photo template product, and we will going to take any product from Zazzle and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So let's do it guys. Now if you're uploading a product in your shop, then you very well need to sign in and upload that particular product, but I don't want to do that. I can simply do it without signing into my account. So I'm going to just go over to the option that is giving you the option as a create. Now you're going to see the bunch of the options over here, the text elements, the blank products, illustration, backgrounds, and all those kind of stuff. We don't want to go into that because it's for the customers who want to use the illustration. When you use the backgrounds or text elements, the people have already uploaded on a Zazzle. But we won't be going into that. So I'm going to be going into the blank product. So click over to this as a blank product because we are creating a product for our store. Make sure you sign in before you do that so that you don't lose your product and you don't lose the designing stuff and all that. Now you're going to see a bunch of the options over here, whatever kind of product you want to create. But I think I'm going to go with the greeting cards. So just scroll down. Well, good John is just gonna pick up a flint thank you card. You could even prepare a Christmas card, Thanksgiving card, whatever card you want to prep. You could very well go further and make that kind of card. Now, after that, you're going to see an option over here, the add image or add text. Since we are adding the image, so I'm going to be going over to the option as an add image, and over here regarding the shape of the card, and you could choose whatever you want to go with that, depending on whatever style you want to have. I think I used some of the card shapes before that, and I shown you how to make a Christmas card. But again, it depends on you guys, and if you want me to make a specific card shape and specific design in the related to the card, related to the occasion, do let me know in the comment section below. But I'll just gonna stick with this one only. I won't be picking up anything. Now let's go over to the option that's the add image. So we need to add an image and we need to do the customization option. So what we're going to see over here, since I have not signed into my Zazzle account, so I can't see my pictures over here. So I need to upload a picture from my own desktop, from my own computer. You can very well open your own picture if you want to. You could offer free pictures, that is free, copyright free pictures from the Pixels, from the Pixabay, from Unsplash. And make sure you read their terms and conditions, their license agreement before actually using their pictures or their graphics from those websites to be on a safer side. What you can do and what you can't do. So make sure you do that. But we need to upload a picture from our computer over here. So you see that sign in to upload from your phone or upload images. So I'm just going to click over to the upload images and we will going to upload the images from. Okay guys, I have selected one picture from my desktop. Now it's gonna upload it soon. So here you can see our picture has been uploaded. Now this was a picture I get it from my desktop. You could very well get it from Unsplash, Pixabay and all those kind of websites out there. Now depending on the size, like since this is a vertical card, this is not a horizontal card, so you need to optimize your picture according to it. But I'm going to be showing you one hack over here, guys, which will really going to help you. You could go over to the section that is the element, and you could very well choose the shape in which you want the shape of your image. Let me explain you what I really mean by that. For example, this square, and I have chosen this square, and I'm gonna place my picture over here. How I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna just go over to the fill color, keep it as a transparent, okay, and the border color I'm gonna keep it as a black. Border thickness is too thick, so I'm not gonna decrease it. So let's see how much I'm gonna decrease it. Keep it as a 3. So I'm going to keep the border thickness as a 3. Now I'm going to place this picture over here. Now you could see that this picture is coming and the backward side. So we need it in the forward side. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm just going to select this box again and go to the backward. So you could see that this picture has been come forward and the box has been gone backwards. Now I can resize this picture, I can crop the image, just double click over here, and now you're allowed to crop this picture. You could crop this picture whatever way you want to do with that, and I'm just going to crop it. Click on the apply. Let's see how much is the size right now. Now you could see the size is still not perfect according to the box, but I think I need to select only 1% from this. So I'm going to crop it again, and I'm just going to removing that another kid from this picture so that it fits into my box. So here we are, and now you could just adjust it into your box, increase the size if you wanted to, like this, and just adjust this picture into the box. Now you could see it's going beyond the box, so I need to again crop it. So I'm just going to crop it and click on over the apply option. Now you could see our picture is fitted perfectly into the box. You could do this thing, guys. This thing can be work on a batches. If you're creating a batch, or if you're creating any kind of official office card where you want to have a passport size picture, or even a picture with that you want to place in a box or something like that, you could do this particular hack. This goes pretty handy. To come over this picture, they're gonna just replace it and use it. Now another important thing I'm going to talk over here, guys. One thing about this, we have uploaded this picture. Go over to the right hand corner of the options. You're going to see when you select this picture, you're going to see make object permanent and always visible. We don't want that. We want it to be as a template. So don't switch on this toggle option, guys. Make sure you don't switch on this, because otherwise your picture would be make it as a permanent only and people won't be able to customize it. We want to switch on this toggle button, that is the make this as a template object. We want this picture as to be a template object. Now you could write the text of this image. We can write this as upload your picture, or upload your image, or add your image, add your picture, whatever thing you could write over this the heading, so people can come over here and they can see that and they can upload their own picture. Don't change anything over here. The URL parameter name, guys, don't make any changes in this, because if you make any changes into this, your template won't work properly and your customer won't be able to customize it properly. So make sure you don't make any changes in this section. Just make changes in the product page label section only. Make sure you do it correctly, guys. Don't make a mistake over here, because some people do make changes in the URL parameter name, and that really shifts all the things. Because if you're making changes over here, then you are creating your picture as a template, but still you're changing the parameter. It may cause your template to won't work properly. So don't make any changes over here. Just make changes over here if you want to. That's a product page label. Now you could do the changes over here. Allow editing on product page. We want that. None fit fill, fit mode, none fit fill. You could do if you want to do with that, guys. It's all depending on you if you want to do. I'm just gonna keep it as a none only. And you could also say to that force customer to replace with their own content. You could also toggle this button on, but the most important button that you need to toggle on is make this a template object without switching on this option. You're not allowing your image to be as a template on that particular product, and people won't be able to customize it properly. So make sure you do that. Now for the box, we can't select the box. If I'm just selecting a box over here, let me select the box. We don't have an option in this box. You could see we don't have an option over here. So if I just click over to the more option, we only have this one. So this is an example, and once you're done with the picture, once you're done with the product, just click over to the done option. Now you can see, guys, that you are seeing over here the personalized option. That means the people can replace this picture and can place their own picture, their family picture, or their own kids picture. So if I'm just going to click over to the personalized option, you could see that I can change this picture and I can upload my own picture. This is the major difference between when you are uploading a picture, when you're uploading a product or adding a product as a template on Zazzle, or when you are not doing the same. So that's the beauty of using a picture as a template, or that is the beauty of uploading the product as a template, because people will gonna get the option that is the personalized, and they'll just gonna click over this, they're gonna click over to the change option, and they can upload their own picture, and instead of this boy picture, they're gonna see their own picture. So this is the way in which you can make a picture product, or a product that contains a picture which is uploaded as a template, and people can customize it. They can add their own picture and they can do the bunch of the options. So I'll show you guys how to make a picture product on Zazzle. It's quite simple, quite easy to do it, guys. You have seen that how I have done it. I just the very important option was that regarding that switching on the option, that was the making your product as a template. You need to switch on that toggle option, and you can write the product option and all that. And once you do that, click on the done option, then you're going to see the personalized option. Your customer is going to see this personalized option. They're just going to click over here, and it's written over here, upload your picture, which we have uploaded in a product page label, if you guys remember that. And the people can click over to the change option and they can upload their own picture, and in this way they can use your product as a template, can edit it, customize it, add their own picture, and can purchase it. So this is just a short tutorial. This was a requested question from one of my viewers who is watching my videos, and hopefully you find it useful and enjoyable. I have cleared your doubt. Do let me know in the comment section below. If you want more such video, if you want more detail, I would be there to help you. Thank you. Hopefully you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Do you want more such video related to Zazzle, or anything, any doubt, any comment, any question, any query would be highly appreciated, because I'm gonna make a video related to that, guys. That's what my focus. So if you have anything for me in the comment section below, do let me know. Thank you so much for joining in. See you the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.